Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is just going to be an overview of a few of the items that I've sold on eBay over the past week or so, and then just a few tips that I've picked up along the way in my short time as an eBay seller. I've learned a few things quickly, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. Let's hop in and get started. Okay, so first up is this Nikon autofocus film camera. It's a 35 to 70 millimeter typical point and shoot from the 80s, early 90s. It's the Nikon Teletouch is the model. Um, I picked this up in a auction online. I paid $76 for a lot of 26 different vintage cameras. So I'm considering this purchase price to be $3.47. It sold on eBay in about a week of listing for $24.95 plus shipping. The eBay fees came to $3.42. The PayPal fees came to $1.33. So my net profit was $16.73. Next is this Minolta Himatic AF2M. This was in that same vintage camera lot that I purchased. So again, this purchase price was $3.47. It sold. I had a lot of interest in this one right off the get-go. I was surprised when I bought that lot. There were a few cameras in there that I recognized as being valuable, and this one kind of took me by surprise. I didn't really think it was going to be as valuable as it was, but it was selling consistently for $79 on eBay. So I had it listed for $79.95 plus shipping, and after about 2 weeks of it being listed, I lowered it to $74.95. I think I had about 5 people watching it, and the day that I lowered it to $74.95, somebody purchased it for $74.95. And in fact, earlier in that day, somebody had made me an offer for $60, and I was willing to split the difference and countered at $67.50. And before they responded, I received another purchase price for my new asking price of $74.95. So it sold for $74.95 plus shipping. eBay fees came to $12.20, and PayPal fees came to $2.75. So that leaves me with a net profit of $56.53. And then the third item just sold last night. This is a vintage GE cassette player. The model number is 3-5432A. This I would assume is from the 80s. It's got a very retro graphics on it. I purchased this in a separate online auction lot of vintage electronics. There were a few more cassette players. I think there was a digital alarm clock and a few other items. It was a total of 11 items, and I paid $16. So each individual item I'm considering to be a purchase price of $1.45. I had this listed for $14.95. There weren't really any other comps for this specific model, but just in general, cassette player, Walkman type portable cassette players were selling anywhere from $10 to $50 depending on the model. This one, again, I couldn't really find comps, so I had it listed for $15.95. I received an offer last night for $11 plus shipping, and I accepted that. eBay fees came to $2.08. PayPal fees were 80 cents. So that leaves me with a net profit of $6.67. Now I should mention that my eBay fees are a little bit higher because I do product promotion on every listing. To me, it's worth it to sacrifice a few bucks of profit in order to get items to sell quicker. I haven't tried it out not doing product promotions. To me, it's just worth it to move items quickly, and it's not really sacrificing too much on my bottom line, which I'll get to in a minute here. I do try to do it so that way, but the buyer always pays shipping. There are a few items I have listed where it's free shipping, but I just prefer having the buyer pay shipping. That can really eat up some of your profit if you have to have higher shipping costs than you would expect. The other thing that's kind of cool is that I recently purchased this Dymo 450 twin turbo label printer. I got this on auction, another online auction. And when I say online auctions, I mean they're online in that all of the bidding is online, but they're local auction houses, so I still have to go pick them up. They're not shipped to me or anything. So this label printer is a thermal printer. It doesn't use any ink, and I'm hoping that this is going to make printing shipping labels a lot easier and more convenient. I've had some, I don't want to say difficulties, but it's inconvenient for me to print shipping labels right now, so this should hopefully help. Along the lines of kind of what we've been talking about here is most of your ROI or return on investment or net profit is going to be made in the purchase. So getting your items for a good price is paramount, and it's more important than selling it for top dollar. If you get it at a good price, you can sacrifice some profit by lowering your asking price, accepting offers, countering offers, or even being able to eat the cost of eBay promotions or product promotions. So keep in mind that while I'm not always making a huge return on each individual item, I like to buy lots of items. And when I say lots, I don't mean a lot, I mean a lot of multiple items. So for instance, the lot of 22 vintage cameras. Not every one of those is going to be a huge moneymaker, but if a few of them are, that is going to counteract the ones that aren't. Overall, my goal is to make a 10 times return on my investment for the items that I'm listing, but I realize that's not going to happen for every individual item. So if I buy a lot of items, as long as I make a 10 times return on that lot overall, then I'm happy. Even if I break even on a few, or even if I lose on a few, it's okay as long as the ones that are profitable are consistently higher than that 10 times return, which are the ones I'm focusing on right now. So I'm going to leave a link to that thermal printer in the description below if you want to check it out. I am pretty happy with it so far, and I hope it's going to really revolutionize my shipping process. I just wanted to share with you guys a few of the things that sold this week and a few tips that I've picked up along the way so far. So give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and consider subscribing for more content in the future. Until next time, thanks for watching.